Now the second thing is that I'm going to check the fuel pump pressure. First, I'm going to find the specific fuel pump pressure, the specification of the fuel pump which is located in the fuel tank or the fuel delivery pump. Check that one, and if that was okay, second we are going to check the spark, which whether the spark is coming to the spark plug or not. I did check the spark plugs. It was a little bit carbonized, but anyway they were not short, and also the resistance of the center electrode was within the spec. Then if we had spark coming to the spark plug, the next step is to check the compression, engine compression. So engine compression specification for this vehicle is, let me show you on the service manual. Look, compression pressure, normal pressure is 14 bar, as you can see, and the minimum pressure is 11 bar required. So maximum allowable pressure difference between cylinder is less than 1 bar, less than 1 bar. So this time, so first fuel pump pressure or fuel pressure, secondly spark plug spark, third compression. Okay, as you can see, ignition is on, and I have connected the fuel feed line to this pipe or hose, and now we are going to operate the fuel pump. Back. So no monitoring. Okay, now I'm going to turn the fuel pump on. As you can see, fuel is emerging, and look, now I'm going to turn that off. So we check that the fuel pump is working, as you can see. So I'm going to reconnect this fuel line. See, just hold on. So I'm going to connect this back. So we got that the fuel is coming. Next step is we are going to check the spark and see if the spark coming to the spark plugs. Okay, this is the spark plug of the cylinder number 1 is out, and the injector is disconnected, and also I have left the spark plug bore empty. So to figure out how is the compression status, so I'm going to leave that open, and also I'm going to check for the spark plugs. So now I'm going to go inside the vehicle and trying to bring the vehicle to ready mode, and to encourage the engine to get started. As you can see, we got the spark plug, and also we got the compression as well. Cylinder number 1. Now we are going to do the same with cylinder number 2. Cylinder number 2. Yeah, spark is coming, and injector is disconnected. Cylinder number 3. Spark is coming. Spark was coming. Number 3. This is number 3. Yeah, spark is coming here as well. Okay, now we are going to check injector, fuel injector pulse, and see whether the pulse is coming to the injector or not. This is the LED light. So if the pulse is coming, this light should flash out. Yeah, pulse is coming, as you can see. It was flashing. Let me show you once again. Okay, we prove that the injectors are pulsing. So Okay, now I'm going to put the engine on read mode and see if the come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, carry on. Good man. Good, 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 good man. Good man, good man. Carry on, carry on. Carry on. Good man. Good man. I was going to check the engine for seasonings, and I spent a few turns the engine, and now I try to start it, and now the engine is running. It's unbelievable. Look at that. Engine is running. Good man. I made the engine running. I made the engine running. Look at that. Look, the engine is running. High voltage battery is being charged. Look at that. Look at that. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Keep going. Keep going, good man. Good man, good man, good man. Okay. This not so long in life. Okay, we made it because it was previously being on, and I'm going to turn that later off. carry on, carry on, carry on. Carry on, good man, good man, good man. And I know what the problem is. Actually, the compression is too low. So when it's cold, it cannot heat the air inside the combustion chamber on the compression stroke. So that's the reason it's not starting. And also when I was spinning the engine by hand, it was giving, the engine was giving very little resistance on compression stroke. Carry on, carry on, carry on, good boy. Good boy, good boy, good boy, carry on, carry on. Let's see. Okay, as you saw a moment ago that the engine was running, so I thought I'm going to take the vehicle out for a road test drive and see how the engine is acting or how the vehicle is acting. So now I'm going to take the vehicle out for a road test drive. So when I took the vehicle out here, as you can see, it's still the vehicle is driving on electric mode. So the vehicle is using electric power to drive, and still the vehicle is driving by electric power. So let's see. And as you can see, the fault code is still current, and the master warning sign is on, or the master warning sign is illuminating on the dashboard. Vehicle is still driving using electric power or electric motor power, as you can see here. And I have accelerated the vehicle, and I am thinking if the vehicle speed goes above 30 miles, it could kick the internal combustion engine on. But as you can see, the vehicle is disabled here, and I'm still pushing to go farther away from the garage, take the vehicle in case. So now I'm joining from the minor road to the main road. As you can see, I'm on main road, and the vehicle is still using electric power. The internal combustion is not firing. So as you can see, so now here So here, yeah, that's the moment where the vehicle was completely disabled. It was approximately 5 or 7% up the hill, so the road was inclining 5% and the vehicle was completely disabled. So I tried to bring the vehicle by pushing back to the garage, and I brought the vehicle back to the garage. As you can see here, I'm trying to maneuver the vehicle because I'm going to turn the face of the vehicle back towards the garage and maneuver it in the middle of the road to make a 3-point turn back towards the garage. Okay, last time we made the engine running for approximately 7 minutes. Then we took it out for a test drive. So when we took it out, so as soon as the hybrid system tried to start the engine, the combustion engine or internal combustion engine, so the engine failed to start. And then so every time when the engine failed to start, we have this two fault codes: P3190 poor engine power, and also P0A0F engine failed to start. And sometime these two fault codes is companion with this fault code as well, P0A80. So we acted on this one. So we replaced the entire battery pack, high voltage battery pack, as you can see here, but this one still showing. So when the engine failed to start, then the sign of the ready mode was still showing on the dashboard. So we tried to drive the vehicle on ready mode on electric motor. So after approximately 500 meters, the vehicle was completely disabled, and we couldn't put either on petrol engine power or on the electric power to move the vehicle. So anyway, we brought the vehicle back here, and today, which is new day, we have disconnected the exhaust system just after the exhaust manifold, so before catalytic converter. And so we are going to check in case the exhaust is restricted. So hopefully that will reveal the problem or fault. But if still the vehicle or the engine is in the same mode, not starting, then just two other tests are left. One for the injector cloggedness, and the other is for the compression. And also we check the engine spinning by hand if there is any resistance. And also previously you saw that the motor generator one speed was approximately 1280 or 90, and the spec speed is in the service manual 1300, which is much. So when looking at that, so you see there is no mechanical problem in the bottom end of the engine, so for seasonings or any other issue. The only thing is that if this one couldn't reveal the problem, then we are going to check the injector cloggedness and also compression. So now I'm going to bring the vehicle down and start the engine with this catalytic converter, this one, and this one disconnected. Okay, now we are going to put the vehicle on ready mode and see if the engine can be started with catalytic converter disconnected. Okay, actually the vehicle is not going on a ready mode, so first I need to clear the fault code and see after that if we can move the vehicle to a ready mode. Okay, these are the fault code, as you can see. So hybrid control 6 volt, hybrid battery 1 volt. Let's check first the battery one and see. So this is the same fault code that's coming. Anyway, that's going to go away because we just installed the battery. Maybe that will go away after the battery get charged. So one is this one. Let me show you another. So if I show you the hybrid control module, so treble code, as you can see, these are the fault code. Engine failed to start, hybrid battery voltage system isolation fault. This is bad, this is very bad. P0A6, this is no good. Control system. So anyway, let's go back. So let's do the quick arrest. Quick arrest. Okay, let's check the rest. So these are not related today. As you can see, hybrid control system fault codes cleared off, and hybrid battery fault cleared off. So now I'm going to exit this one, the scanner from the vehicle. Unfortunately, the scanner is going to die. Okay, Now I'm going to put the vehicle on read mode. So okay. Now I'm going to so ignition off. So I'm going to put the vehicle on read mode. Oh, unfortunately it's not showing. Okay, vehicle doesn't go to a read mode. Let me show you here. As you can see, vehicle does not go to read mode. Hold on. Let me check the fault code again. So I scanned the vehicle again, but it's not showing any fault code in the hybrid system. Not sure why. Look, let me go back, exit, and scan that again. Oh, now it's showing two fault codes. Two fault codes in hybrid control system. Let's see what is those fault code for. Okay, these are the fault codes that's showing again. So let me check this one. Hybrid battery voltage system isolation fault. This is no good. It's this time it's showing the isolation hybrid battery voltage system isolation fault. So let me check the freeze frame data. Look, go down battery, this one. No much information. We can retrieve from this freeze frame. So go back. So let's check this one. Okay, check this one. We didn't move the vehicle that much, but I'm not sure it's showing. But here, as you can see, when the fault code occurred, the vehicle speed was 0 mile per hour. Okay, we have installed the high voltage battery pack, and also we connected the service plug grip, connected the auxiliary battery negative terminal, and also if I show you, also as you can see, we have disconnected the catalytic converter, which is this one, and the rest of the exhaust from the exhaust manifold, and we see if this time we can make the engine running. Okay, let's put the key in, and hold on, going to hold the clutch pedal down with one hand and press the power button. Nothing is happening again. Let's off, go back again. Yeah, the vehicle is in ready mode right now. It can be started at any time. Let me zoom that in. Look, the vehicle has started. Look, the vehicle started. Unfortunately, so we thought that the catalytic converter is blocked, but it's not the case, as you can see. And fault code is showing again. So that we prove that the catalytic converter is not blocked too. So this time we are going to check just two items left. One, the engine compressor, and second, the fuel injectors. Okay, instead of using the compression gauge, we opted for a vacuum gauge to use it. So because that was easy, and also for the hybrid vehicle, or it's very, very easy compared to the compression gauge. And as you can see, each time when the engine starts and it's running for a while, and look at the vacuum, or the vacuum value is too low. It's even below 5 inch of mercury, as you can see here. Look, it's reading below 5 inch of mercury. So that the figures which is marked to the inner side toward the center of the gauge, that's the inch of mercury. So the vacuum gauge should register for a normal engine from 17 to 22 inch of mercury, but unfortunately, as you can see, this is reading below 5 inch of mercury, so that the yellow reading is in inch of mercury, as you can see here. So as you can see, it's below 5 inch of mercury, so which is showing completely abnormal engine. So this is not a normal engine. So when the vacuum is low, it means that the engine has a mechanical issue. Maybe the compression ring is jammed or seized, maybe valve issue or other internal issue. So when I inform the customer that the engine has mechanical issue and it cannot make a compression, or cannot sack or make any induction, so the customer decided not to repair the vehicle. So he is going to sell the vehicle as a test in this moment, because he said it's going to cost me a huge amount of money, and I've already spent much money. Because the reason we replaced the battery, we couldn't check the engine condition. So without running the engine, we cannot check the engine condition. So for this reason, we had to repair first the high voltage battery to make the engine running. So unfortunately, this cost the customer some money. So our diagnostic procedure has completed this, and the customer is going to take the vehicle back home.